Maybe it's hard to believe, but a tiny seed called chia can truly change your body and your day. Chia seeds are one of nature's most powerful superfoods, packed with fiber, plant protein, omega-3s, antioxidants, and calcium. That amazing mix supports energy, digestion, heart health, and glowing skin. When you soak chia in water or milk, something magical happens. It forms a gentle gel that keeps you full longer, balances blood sugar, and soothes your gut. That's why so many people call it the secret to healthy weight loss. But the best part? Chia is delicious and so easy to use. Add a spoonful to a strawberry and honey shake with milk or almond milk. Or blend it with avocado, honey and a splash of milk for a creamy power smoothie. You can even make a refreshing chia cocktail with lime, mint and sparkling water. Or stir it into yogurt with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey. Just 1 tablespoon a day can make a real difference. Use it whole for a crunchy texture, or soaked for a silky, pudding-like taste. And it fits every lifestyle: vegan, low carb, or simply busy mornings. If you want more energy, clearer skin, and steadier focus, add chia to 1 meal a day for just 2 weeks, and feel the change. Because sometimes, the smallest things bring the biggest transformations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and tell me in the comments, how do you use chia? Join our community for more natural, healthy living tips, and I'll see you in the next video.